You were saying something, Rudy? What about that? We back! Stop playing with the kid. Come on. Where the fuck the chat at? Come on now. I'm too pale. If I put it too dark, y'all can't see me. No, I'm kidding. Jokester. What's popping with the main gangland? What's up with my gang members? Not actually. What's up with my well-respected community? What's popping with y'all? I got sons to feed. The inside of my whip costs 100 G's. I come in peace. And be strong. Let's go. Wake up, get the money, get the money. That's what I be on. Good trade this morning. How was yours? I caught a banger. I'm still in this bitch. I'm still in it. Y'all, can y'all believe that? Thank God Cartoony ain't here. Who's Cartoony? Come on, chat. Where y'all at? What is that? I was already up. Pretty little baby. Damn, you're still in? Bro, what the fuck you think? Close partial. Sheesh. Key, are you in the... Did you do it on your own or did you are you in the are you in NLT Elite? Or you on your own? But yeah, I'm still in. You can see me still holding the partials. What up, Luca? What up, Tony Gold? You live next to Petco Park, bro? Maybe. Hey, bro, top songs in the chat. You can't be leaking the location like that. No, I'm kidding. My boy right now, that like sea biscuit. Like sea biscuit. Mentorship, I'm in the Discord. Pop in. Say was Gucci. If you want to. Where's Tay at? Tay, where the fuck you at? Someone tell me where my boy Tay's at. Sheesh, so you just got the same buys. Good shit, Key. That's fire. So yeah, guys, I took the buys this morning on NASDAQ right here. Held through some drawdown for a minute. But winners jump out. I mean, losers. Did I say winners? Losers jump out. Winners stay true. Held that bitch. Closed some partials in here when we started to reject. Rebroke highs into this 15-minute fair value gap. Took some more partials, and now we're just moving sideways. Rest is that break even. Easy. How did you decide to stay in? I'll go over it. Bro, I was stressing during that drawdown. I was on trade for 1 hour. I got clipped twice and that shit flies. No way. Like, you tried to go long twice? Jaime? Or what? Am I live all walked out, guys, or what? Are we good? We good? What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all? Keep liking up this stream, guys. It helps push it out. If you do not know, these NAS buys, yes, we're still in, still holding them. I'm gonna do an outlook right now on if I'm looking for further long to stay in and potentially scale in, or if I should cut it and we're looking for some short. But you're not gonna know unless you like the stream and stick around for the show. Straight up. But let's get into it, guys. So I'm gonna pop back out at first to the single NASDAQ thing, and let's go to the daily first just to show you guys. So the trend has clearly been bullish in my opinion. Every time we've tried to reject here, it's led to a new bullish candle. So even though we led to this, you know, test, what you're gonna see and what I saw on the 4 hour is, look, on this 4 hour, we channeled down yesterday after London into Asia, and Asia perfectly swept the previous Asia session lows and previous New York lows. And what happened? Major reaction, coming back up, looked like we held support. Even when we go to the hourly, you just see like we swept, held it, and not only that, but then this candle took out the low and engulfed this previous bearish candle. So to me, that is very bullish price action. Very, very bullish price action. So once we closed and we continued up, we had one more little high up here, which was the New York highs. We had the New York highs and the Asia highs, which to me, I was like, oh, fuck, like low-key not that fire. But still, it kind of liquidated it, came into that drawdown, and then led to the pump at that 7 a.m. But you go to the 15, same type of thing, just impulse up, consolidate a little bit, boom, new impulse, we get in. We had to stay patient, guys. Like the open happened at oh wow, I guess we only had to wait like 10 minutes. To me, it seemed like forever. But we stay it kind of was ranging for a while. Ended up getting in, was in the drawdown for a while, and then ended up pushing up. But that was bars, sir. Luke, I saw you post up in the hood yesterday, bro. That's where I live. Don't leave me, you know. So ultimately, guys, talking about it, I do think that we're gonna continue bullish. I had this 15-minute for value gap to see if we were gonna like reject it or what. We did kind of reject it, but then we came right back up and kind of closed, and we've just been moving sideways since. So I was thinking about fibbing this up and seeing if we could lead to a retracement like this. It looks like we already did. You guys fib up the low to the highest point it went. Right after it made the highest point, we retraced perfectly into the golden zone, and the golden zone reacted right off of it. So that fib level is already played out. We could try to go to the, let's say, 5, M5. Same thing right here, you know? If we were to market, even like move it up, let's say from this low right here, same type of thing, tapping right into the golden zone to continue. Come into the most recent leg. Somewhere in here, you know what I'm saying? Like I would consider probably like this, right? Boom, already tapped into it. So let's just say that we already did this. We have this little leg in here. Boom, we're tapping into it right now. You know, so y'all just saw me break down like 4 different fibs within each other. But fibs don't work. That's me. When someone says hands up if you believe in the fib. So if you weren't in this buy, how would you re-enter now? What do you mean? What? You think I'm not going to get back in? Come on, we're scaling in. We robbing the markets today. Got nothing else to do. I got some LVs shades to fucking pay for. I need some shoes. I need some Shaq shoes. What filter is that when you show the big candle? PO3. Power 3. Luke, you're under arrest for robbing the market. I was about to say something, but I was like, let me just refrain. It's too early in the stream. We can't have people start leaving already. Hey, Luke, what do you think about sweeping the highs one more time before tracing back down? What about sweeping the lows to continue back up? How about that? How about them apples? How about them apples? Don't do it. Chat, come on. Keep liking the stream, guys, if you have not liked it. Like the stream. Try to get some more people up in this bit. Solid week, though. You know what I'm saying, guys? You guys have been here all week. All we've been doing is feel like DJ Khaled. All we do is win. Pretty good setups, guys. Even yesterday, the setup yesterday, guys, I got into profit, starts break even. I got hit. A lot of you guys held on to it. That shit flew. You know what I'm saying? Another one, exactly. So let's check out US 30, guys. Let's see what US 30's got popping for us. So, erase. All right. Start at the daily 4-hour. What would y'all say? Y'all say this looks bullish or bearish? Let me know in the chat. What is this candle screaming to you? Right? Go to the 4-hour. 4-hour is not doing too well. 4-hour is not doing too well. We're sitting within this 4-hour supply, but you know, I'm not gonna take sales off this. Right? 1 hour. I mean, no pullbacks on US 30. Kind of scurry. This is ugly price action. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sheesh. Wake up, get the money, get the money. That's what I be on. Definitely do not like US 30 as much. SPX, guys, should we trade some ES for the day for the fuck of it? No, I'm kidding. Probably be focused on NASDAQ. Look at this perfect sweep too, guys. For anyone who comes to me and says, Luca just trades smart money, it doesn't make sense. Bro, motherfucker, look at these session liquidity sweeps. That's all I really preach. Looking for liquidity sweep. Look at every time we lead to some sort of low. Wait for a sweep against the trend. If you're bullish, wait for a fucking bearish fake out. Bearish fake out continue. Oh my lord. If you guys wonder like why these things happen, starts with an L, right? Starts with an L. Screaming opportunity. Peekaboo. I just put it right in my chain. Peekaboo. Put it on like. What is it? Oh, it's a Wanda. That's why. Let's do a poll in the chat. Start a poll. Ask a question. All right, new poll. New poll. I'm curious. What y'all thinking? Where's Nick at? I was about to say what you said, but it sounds too close, bro. Nick's gotta change his name or something. That keeps almost slipping out. So funny. Wake up, get them. Bro. No. So you guys gotta think also, like, let's just say 75% says report me for these longs. Yeah, guys, so I'm still kind of biased on, you know, buys. If I were to look for sells, it would have to be some high getting liquidated. You know what I'm saying? Like, see if New York highs can get swept or something. And then we'll see. Nick greased up on the beach at Petco Park. Rudy, that picture was so fucking funny. I should take a picture of him once. You're like, why the fuck is he sweating? Bro, just sweating, standing still. He's like, bro, it's sunscreen. I was like, motherfucker. Dude was nervous. That's fucking funny as fuck. Sunscreen? Yeah, motherfucker was inside. It seems to be ranging until we have a double top and equal highs, 1240 to 1345. We'll see. Motherfucker was inside with sunscreen on. What you blocking from? The fucking computer light? He said UV. No. Totally kidding. Bro, using WD-40. Just fucking. He said, my grandpa taught me that. Nah, I'm totally kidding. Straight green. Fuck. How do you get the oil change on the Porsche? Who do you think I went to? I'll tell you right now, I didn't go to the dealership. You still trade Jer? I mean, I low-key love Jer. I just haven't been up for London. Truthfully. Straight grease. Moving sideways for right now, chat. Like, you know. Not too much. Oh, now. Yo. Actually, 21921. Yeah, 21912. Why are these so different? It's so weird. 21922. What does it say on my broker right now? So whichever one is the 12 is what I want. So what is this? Owanda? And this is. Yeah, no, this is closer. Owanda, you trash. It's almost done. What is? I just don't really think we're going to continue down from here. I think we might continue down short term, tap in down here, and then continue. So like we could sell down into here if you guys want, but it's just trying to catch like a little piece of the overall path. Right? Yes, we still in that bitch. What is the difference between Owanda and Black Bull? There's different brokerages, right? Like, I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but like why it's just so weird. Like why you'll go over here and like look at price right now on Owanda, it says 21,916. Now go jump over to Black Bull, and now it's at 21,908. And on my broker right now on Gates is closer to Black Bull. So right now my broker is at 21,909, right? So like right here with Black Bull. That's why a lot of the time people love using future stuff too, because like if I go here and I go to TRADERTV, let's see what the fuck TRADERTV's at. Manage groups. How do I put them all in here in one? Well, so NASDAQ's right now at 21,925. That's what I'm saying. Like, what the fuck? Why is it 20 points different? So that's why, like, I mean, at least for me, guys, back when I first started trading, I started trading indices and I joined like signal groups, and people would call like indice trades and the numbers would be so off. So like you would copy in the numbers from the signal, but then it wouldn't be the same on your broker. So, and that's still the case. Like if you joined, like it's just so weird because you usually type in the numbers from Owanda or something, so you have to have it like match up with the price action from there, right? But for like futures and stuff, it's all the same. So like you see these numbers. If I were to go over to like NQ1, I think I have to pay for it. I don't know why I don't have it yet. Oh, it's because you have to do it on you gotta do it on whatever it's called. Why is there like different colors? Nah, but why this one's still different? 21,942. Wait, what is going on? That's actually hilarious. Maybe it's not this one though. I thought NQ1 was the one though. Amazing. The more you know. When is Gates going to allow Trade Locker? On Sunday. On Sunday, guys, if you guys are looking for a broker to use that allows MetaTrader and Trade Locker, hit the link in the description, Gates FX. I have a video going out today as well about it. Just about how to do it and shit, but rabbit hole, hello, right? Trying to pull back into here, chat. 15, 30. When would you look to buy or sell? Looking for like a liquidity sweep against the trend. So I'm waiting for us to pull back a little bit more on these buys, because I think we need to come down to go up a little more. All right, we almost swept this low right here, but now we created equal lows. So definitely got to see if we'll come and maybe sweep into that and check the reaction. That smoothie fire today. All right. Let's see. See what we got going on. Like I said, guys, when I go to the 30-minute, I really like this MA right here. This is just an area where, like, you guys always ask me, why I use my MAs and stuff, and there's just a lot of time when price overextends, it'll pull back to areas like this before continuing, right? Look at that sweep. A nice sweep right there. Let's just go over here. Break it all down. Let's break it all down, chat. All right, so we had the 15-minute for value gap in here. We've already closed. We don't even need to respect that. Coming into recent price, I see a 5-minute demand over here. I see liquidity to take under it, but I also see these lows that we just swept right here. I can consider that liquidity. And then I can look for some sort of break of structure back up. I'm going to draw this little trend line like this. 15, 5, 1. And see if we can wait for... Let's just see. Equal lows just got swept. We'll see what happens after this reaction. Still on the lower time frame, so we will see right about here. Sai, brother, fucking... Everyone in the chat say Sai, answer your texts. Put you on blast, cuzzo. Don't make me get the IP. Pull up. Bro, don't even cap. Don't even cap. I texted you. You think you're gonna tell me you're coming to LA and I'm not gonna text you after, bro? Come on. Shit, bro, I'm just out here too. Bro, just let me know, like, what you doing? Bro, Rudy. That's so funny. Okay, that's lit. Guys, pod with Sai has to happen. If he don't do it, he's scared. All right, guys, I like this sweep. It'd be really premature of me to buy, but I'm a premature motherfucker. No, I'm clicking. Don't say hey to die. Yo, what? Yo, why is I like that? Top songs, what'd you do to him? Why top songs do that? Why top songs got everyone acting fruity? No, Silas, do something for real though. Maybe a bigger bottom weight, guys, but I'm down to try and take some buys somewhere in here. Bet I'm down. Let's go. Guys, pod with Sai coming soon. If y'all don't even know, go watch the first one. History's already fucking been written. We're just here for the sequel. Nah, we got shit to talk about. Yo, why did he say that? Yo. Hey, yo. Gonna break the internet with it, dude. Come on. You already know. I'm so down, bro. Don't even play. Nice rejection. That's what I'm saying. Bro, I don't know what's happening with these accounts though. Like, what's good? I thought they were all grouped up. How big would stops be? 27. We could low-key pop 2. Chat, I kind of just want to give it. Oh, that says 84. No, we're not getting 84 contracts. Chat, I kind of want to get in with a bigger stop loss. Give it the first go, or give it a first shot. Wait, what time is it? 30-minute opened. Yeah, chat. Might get this a go. Wake up, get the money, get the money. That's what I'd be on. Kind of want to pull the trigger on the flip, chat. We can flip real quick. You in sells? No. Looking for buys. What's up, Cypher? I'm only going to be staring inside during the podcast. What, bro? I guys, I kind of want to give it a shot. Lower probability on this first kind of go, but guess what? Mama ain't raised no bitch. We don't know until we do it. All right, guys, we're in there. Kind of want to just fucking get into it a little bit. Chart. Get into a little point. Got it on my live account too, just because I'm not going to be risking full. I'm still floating profits from the first position, but I also am what's it called? I'm in that second position as well. You copy train Forex accounts? Yeah, I'm trying to just fucking. Hopefully, these either fucking pass or fail today. I don't care. We got the first go at it. Like I said, guys, we could be a little early to the party, but guess what? We don't know until we enter. So I'd rather get in now. If we hit stops, try to get into a new position or something to catch the trend. My idea is that we're going to continue in a bearish or a bullish trend. That's just how it is. Wake up, get the money, get the money. That's what I'd be on. You see that new feature on Trade Locker? It's fire. What new feature? Oh, that's not some good volume. There's a break even button. That's so cool. Do you play trades on your phone? Yeah, so I'm in right now on my live account. You can see it's just a smaller, I mean, it's not that small, but it's like $40,000 live account that I'm going to be growing with you guys. I got that, and then I also got these Apex accounts, and wow, that's the volume that we do not want. Sheesh. Not what we wanted to see. Oh shit. 30-minute turning bearish. It's not what we want. Like I said, Chaz, we're looking for it to hold somewhere in here to go long. Kind of was premature because we haven't waited for that big of a rejection or anything, but we'll give it a shot. Do our usual 35-point stops. Call it a day. That's 36 I get. Not too much volume in the market. Not too much. I can't find the button for that. Let me see. Do I have to update it? Maybe you have to update on your app store, Rudy. Go to the app store, type it in. Let me see. Real bag chase, I get a random band up when I talk about it. I see risk, SLTP. Maybe you have to be in a position first. I think if I enter position, then it'll show the button. Yeah, that makes sense. Low-key, not the best reaction right here, guys. And we have the 50 right here. But I'm kind of anticipating that we're going to come up so fast that this will end up kind of coming up and swooping up with it. Kind of being like, whoa. And then we just go. That's the entry. What's your strat based on? It's called the strategy. Ever thought about doing crypto? I've done crypto in the past. I actually traded crypto majority when I first started. What does my strategy consist of? My strategy consists of like looking for a trend, looking for us to pull back and then a break back above. This isn't that big of a break. That's why I'm saying that this isn't the best probability strategy. It's just that we've been bullish all day and I'm trying to get a low entry, kind of anticipating us to continue the trend up. So I kind of got in a little premature just because I got in at this trend line when I really should have waited for this one. But you don't know until you don't know until you know. So I'm in. I'm risking profits from not only today, guys, but for the week. We got a banger this morning. I'm still in the position from this morning. That's why I'm in two positions you guys can see. But I'm in that top position from this morning, and that bottom position is now with you guys. So just risking profits because not only did I make profits this morning, but I also am still floating some profits. It was nice. And you guys can too. It's an open invite. All you guys. Links in the description, or should be. Go to WAP. Come live trade with me every single morning, guys. When the volume's like this, but times 10, so we're just catching fucking bangers. Go on with your day. What a better way to start the day than catching bangers with the NLT gang? I don't know. Write that down. Shoo, entry. When you press on trade, there's a break even button next to close partials. That's pretty dope. So if you guys see here, I have this nice 5-minute trend line, which this buy that we got into kind of came up and held the trend line for this third time and has kind of not led to the best rejection. So the reason why I got in is kind of down in here. I had this trend line, which is the 5-minute one you see, but then also we have this 1-minute one right here that I had. And as soon as we broke here with the volume, I got in kind of prematurely. But I mean, it's still good. What up, Luke Diesel? What up, Louis? What's up, G? Why don't you use Trade Locker? I mean, I have before. I actually do a little bit. I just like MetaTrader. MetaTrader's so G. He's stepping on it. It's time to topic of discussion. Come on. Holy airball. Am I getting a double? No. No, can't be. No. If you're looking for me, I'll be on it with you, man. Possibly sitting on the. Anyone got any questions? Anything you guys want to know about or whatever? I already kind of broke down the trade. If you guys want me to break it down again. Obviously, what I would have waited for next time is just 5-minute trend line, not getting too obsessed with the 1 minute. If you guys can see here, literally just. So we'll see if we can hold within here. Potentially continue. I'm still holding. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. I'll be looking for you. I'll be on the backwoods right now. Welp. Welp what? Welp what? We're only freaking halfway to drawdown. What, you gonna cry? Fib helped me a lot this week so far, Mang. So glad I learned that from you. Awesome, bro. The Fib is fucking changes everything. Gives you a whole zone that you shouldn't be trading in. Literally gives you like a whole 50% of a zone. Whole 50% of a zone that you don't. So like the concept of it, guys, is that like, you know, let's say there's an impulse. We lead to it up. I fibbed the low to the high. And this gives me a whole top area where no matter what happens, if we have any price action here that just does whatever the fuck, did it, whatever, I'm not buying, right? We can even do this, but guess what? More often than not, it'll come down here first and then continue. Tightens your entries. We'll see if we come down, maybe respect this 50 MA or what. But definitely reversing. Bitcoin is now below 105,000. It's so crazy Bitcoin's just now at 100K. I feel like no one talks about it. You guys remember when we were at like 30K and everyone was like, oh, this is the top. Because I'm a rider. Yeah. Just a soul survivor. Just a soul survivor. Yeah. Guys, I'm thinking about sizing back up pretty soon. So I'll let you guys know when I do. But for those of you guys who kind of, when they first started streaming Power Hour and stuff, I have my live account that I was risking about $3,000 a trade on. 3K a trade. It's kind of crazy. I was doing really well with it because you guys got to think, like, simply just going for 1 to 2s, that's already $6 grand. The one thing I didn't like about it was the kind of mental thing of when you do hit stop loss for 3K, let's say like 2 times in a row, and you're down 6K. It was a lot. So I decreased my size down to 1500, which was half. But now I kind of think I'm going to go up to 2K. Reason being is a 1 to 2 on a 1.5K risk is 3K. And simply just by doing 2K risk, increasing my risk by $500, it'll increase my profit by, you know, a whole $1,000. Simply just by going 1 to 2, it'll be even more once it more risk to reward. So I'll let you guys know now. Right now, I'm risking around $1,500 a trade. I'm gonna start risking 2K a trade. I think we've been trading good. I'm back on a little flow. I'm winning a ton. Even if we had little drawdowns like this, guys, like today, the trade today during live stream in the morning, we sat in drawdown for like a little bit. It was just so moving sideways. And then guess what? Stay strong, goes right to TP. So I'll let you guys know. Right now on this trade, I'm not risky that much or anything, but just talking out loud. Letting y'all know. What would you recommend to risk on a 100K challenge? I like doing 1K. Like, honestly, like on the first trade, and I've done this a couple of times. I don't do it every time. First trade, 100K account, 1.5K risk. Right? And it goes into the same thing I just talked about. 1.5K risk, but the first trade you take has to be like A+ setup. Like you're sitting on your hands until you take that trade. And guess what? When you do take it, and you take the high probability setup, well, guess what? You hit that 1 to 2, you're already up fucking 3-4% as like off rip. And if you're only risking 1,000 then and you have 3 to 4 trades just to get back to break even, that's the best feeling ever. When your first trade you're up like 4K on 100K and you're like, well, I can lose 4 trades and be back at break even. Like the stress is just out of there. So like 1.5K risk trying to go for like a 2.53R, legend. Starts you off so nice. I don't know why my entry always acts as a resistance. That is hilarious. That's how trading really makes you feel though. All right, guys, we're back at break even. Who closed in drawdown and cried? Oh my god, we have bread news in 3 minutes. JK, bro, why you gotta do that to me, Key? I thought we were friends. Cause I'm a rider. Yeah. Like profits, let's go. Yes. Yes, Sirski. Let's hit it. Go, 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 go. Hourly coming up. You feel me? What language do you speak? I speak English, Italian, and dinero. I speak dinero. Money talks. I speak BTC USD. How do you know when a liquidity sweep is going to happen? You have a good idea. First off, guys, it comes with practice. Like, you guys got to know the type of conviction you have to be like you guys got to think that like this candle was selling so hard. And I know for a lot of you guys were thinking in this moment, oh, why isn't Luca calling sells? Bruh, you got to have an outlook of like, would you guys rather get into a trade like this? Ready? Let's say the market's done this, and now we're like this, or just something. I don't even know. Whatever. Like, are you trying to like sell like this little move in here? Or would you rather wait for a sweep of that low and try to get in for the continuation? Like that. This is the type of trader I am. I'm not trying to get into these little bullshit, whatever the fuck. I'm looking for sweeps against trend to continue the overall trend. What does this look like? If I were to exactly what I explained and I zoom out, what the frick is happening? We're in a bullish trend and I'm just looking for a breakout against the trend to fake out a bunch of retail motherfuckers and then get my profits. Do I win all the time? I mean, honestly, kind of. But do I win every time? No. I don't win every time. So, shit happens. You just got to pull the trigger and understand you have an entry model you look for and you go. Because it's cool, guys. We all can look at one chart and have different entry criterias. Right? Like, a lot of internal breakout sellers are probably in sells right here. Liquidity sweep traders are going long. Fucking trendline traders are about to, once we close right here, we'll go long. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's so many ways to trade. You just got to find what works for you and follow it. Literally follow it. The minute you start mixing strategies and going crazy is when you just fucking, no bueno. Would you trade NASDAQ and US30 at the same time? No. It's one of my rules. It's so nice when you win both, but when you lose both, it just brings you back so hard. If you take them on the same account, it's like you're going to open up that much risk to one, because they kind of correlate. If they didn't correlate and they were completely separate and shit, then like they're both independent trades. But more often than not, NASDAQ and US30 correlate. So if you go long on both and they both short, you're kind of fucked. I'd rather just get in 2% risk on one of the setups that's higher probability, potentially. Let's win today, best trader Luke. Appreciate it. Low volume. Doesn't look like we have a lot of volume to continue just yet, so I have to wait a little bit, but let's see. Only one way to find out. Where are my mods at? Damn, why is this happening? Whoever did this, you suck. I don't know why they think stuff like this works. Like, did any of you guys see this and be like, oh, I'm gonna go invest whatever the fuck that was? Luca, what gives you the confidence to hold your trades? I told you, you just gotta think and you just gotta ask yourself, did mama raise a bitch? And if the answer is yes, you gotta close. As simple as that. If it's no, then you just gotta keep holding. It's as simple as that. Mama didn't raise no bitch. I might have deleted some people from this. I was spam deleting people from the chat. There might be people who I accidentally banned who like didn't deserve it. You lie. That was fucking good. Ask yourself, do I need light spade or do I enjoy darkness? Oh my god. Do I want my light spade or darkness? I don't know. I am Batman. I enjoy candlelight dinners. Yeah, well, you enjoy them until there's no dinner. Till there's just no dinner to have. You like them till you're just like, shit. You're like, fuck, I spent dinner money on my last 50K Express account. My last TopSTEP combine. Alright, guys, we're up like 1.5 across the accounts. Bitch, I'm the topic of discussion. Can I get a hunya? Or not? I guess not. But Luca, it was selling. Why'd you buy? Exactly. Exactly. If this hits TP, you guys all need to go leave me a review saying Luca's the motherfucking GOAT. And if it doesn't, you still have to. Really? In a second. Giveaway? Why would I give away if I fucking hit TP? How does that make sense? All right, guys, I won. I'm gonna give you guys something. Like what? Maybe if I maybe if we lose. Are we in, brother? No way in hell we're gonna sit through all that drawdown and you're gonna hit us with the. Are we in? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes later. We're sitting here on this beach. We're in the 1 minute. No, it's 5. Yeah, we've been really sitting this shit. On the topic of discussion. Oh, cool. Yeah, nah. I mean, I'm in. Truthfully. We have nice equal highs up in this area. You can get a rate above these highs. LOL, you're already doing the live stream. Where is I'm saying? I'm already doing the live stream and people want shit. It's not enough. Maybe I should start dancing, singing songs and shit. And I put 80 on my wrist. Louis V shoes if we hit TP, fuck it. Oh, but my shoulders are so fucked. If you guys ever see me do this, I'm never flexing or anything. I have well, this one's actually like I actually got an X-ray. I have a fucking torn whatever it's called. Supposed to get surgery, but I was like, nah, like going through surgery right now would be such bullshit. And then this one just hurts now. It used to not. So I'm doing this. It's because I'm trying to get like my shoulders back. To work if you win, brother. Rudy, how do you feel about that? Shoulders are putting in OT from carrying the markets. Facts. What's up, guys? Shout out to you, Luca. Shout out to you, bro. Rudy has left the chat once again. Chat, come on. Stop playing with the kid. I try to always tell them, but they don't want to listen. Damn, look at they breaking your back. Yeah, top songs. That's why I hate you. No, I'm playing. Happy as fuck gonna hit the trade, but mad as fuck no giveaway. How about my presence? Is my presence enough? Listen to Master Uguay. You know what Master Uguay says? Hey, fuck, what does he say again? I don't remember. Shit. Yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery, but today's a gift. That's why they call it the present. Come on! Stop playing. There would never be a giveaway. Luca always wins. Appreciate you, Oscar. Yes, sir. And I'm the topic of discussion. Yeah. We're honestly up good right now, chat. I can't even lie. Part of me wants to draw the trend line, but part of me knows that if I do, it's going to close. I'm going to want to get out. And on the topic of discussion, y'all. All right, guys, so far we're sitting up about 22 points. Let's go. You know, it's not the biggest volume day, so 22 points is as usual, probably like, you know, probably up like right now our stop loss is like 35. Which I guess that's kind of usual. Usually it's like 35 to 45. Solid 22 points though. Chuck, 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 chuck. Do you ever trail your stop loss? Yeah. Like, I usually go stop loss to break even. Like, I honestly probably don't want this one to go against me. So as you guys can see on the bottom of my screen down here, or can you guys see this or no? We're up 650 across 4 accounts. It's a total of $2,500. 26, 27. You can see up here, 28. 8 cons, $2,700. Bada bing, bada boom. You can lose with the stuff you use. What? What'd you say? On many occasions, shoulder pain is because of spiritual awakening. Just be aware if you're not aware of this truth. Certain pains in our body comes because of our awakenings. That's awesome. Thank you for that, sir. Could you give me a report and send me a DM on what my shoulder pains could be? Like maybe my awakening? Luca, ever went to Thailand? Nah, I probably wouldn't come back if I went. How much in profit, man? We're up 2,700 on here. And then I went lighter risk on here because I was just risking profits, but I'm still holding my position from this morning. But we're up 700 on here with the profits closed from AM session as well. And let's go. Nvidia's gonna break out, maybe that would be great. If you guys don't know, Nvidia is a major company within NAS where if we can get Nvidia to break, it will send it up. Here we are. Yeah, look at, we're right here. If we can come out, even just take out these, we have like New York highs right here, but these took out the previous New York highs. So it looks like we're getting a little bit of a break on Nvidia to the upside. If that happens, if we can lead to this push, oh, we just swept it though. If we can lead to a push there, then NAS should follow. Trendline's been closed below, guys, for anyone who's gonna follow it. Like I said, I'm risking profits today. So I'm willing to kind of hold just because I do see us potentially continuing higher, and I kind of just want to hold a little bit. And I'm not up a ton on my live because I went out lighter to want to close some partials. So I'm willing to risk it. You know, if we come out to break even, I'll think about closing or whatnot. But I'm gonna hold on to this a little bit. Right. Are you going to hit with Wes? I haven't decided yet, bro. It's pretty far from here, and he like if he did it at like noon or something, which I thought he was, it'd be different. He said 9 a.m. Like Wesley, not everyone wakes up as early as you. I'm 3 hours away. You want me to wake up at fucking 5:30 to drive a car to come play basketball with you, motherfucker? Come on, come on. Let's be honest. Be honest. Why? I'm really into like beach, fucking sand, like all that type of shit. But I also know that like if I went and did that right now, I wouldn't be as locked in, you know, and I got goals to do. If I go to Thailand, I'm just fucking buying a hotel just for me. 7 floors, but like just vacant for me. And then I just like live there. Your shoulder hurts from carrying all these bags to the bank from all these W's. Appreciate you, brother. That's my guy. You gotta focus on me, Luca. Yeah, no. Even though I do think about you, Top Songs. I'm kidding. I live in Philly, but if there was trust, it would have been. But if I was there, trust, it would have been BTA. Someone there can take care of that shoulder pain. They'll do something about it. I want to do like, yeah, like something. Oh, nice. Pattaya Beach in Phuket. Yeah, that's where I want to go, bro. There's a couple of scenarios, guys. We can kind of draw it out, but what we want to see is this. We want to see like this kind of come, you know, kind of reject, potentially to like continue higher or whatnot. Because what we don't want is strong volume pushing down like this. Because then if we channel back up, it might just be a lower high to continue lower. So we want to see us kind of like slowly pull back, but you know, not show volume really coming down. It's less expensive in Thailand. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if I was living how I'm living now in like a fort, bro, it would be like it just wouldn't. I would just like I would own the place. Not actually. Not Thailand. Thailand there's like big money and stuff, but yeah, it's so cheap. But like, you know, Bali and shit. No power hour though. I was gonna move to Bali recently, but you guys would have no power hour with me. So the time's all messed up. Just message me on Discord. Nice. Nice. I'll check it after this, guys. I got a bunch of. Let's see. DC said, I'm on power right now with regard to the 4 accounts that you're in. How could I get a setup like that? This is just this is futures instead of Forex, right? So that's why it's set up like that. I just don't know what platform you're trading on. If you're on Trade Locker, it just won't be like this and stuff, right? Guys, NAS is starting to go. Nvidia's about to break highs. Who's still holding, guys? Put some W's in the motherfucking chat. Hell yeah. Appreciate y'all. Good conviction. Good job believing in yourselves and stuff. Oh yeah. Nvidia don't look like it's coming down. Boom, Nvidia just broke, guys. Nvidia just broke. Hop back over. Come on, hit me that. Give me that. There we go. Yeah, you said a little push. Stop playing. On the topic of discussion. Stocks break even? I'm probably going break even, yeah. Especially after this last little push. Guys, come on. Stop playing. Put some W's in the chat. Spam them. I try to tell them. Try to invite you guys. Keep missing out. W. Come on. No, of course now it's pushing down. So fun. On the topic of discussion. What's the date today? 12/20? The 12th? All right, all right. Come on, guys. Can we get some more W's? I want to take a video. That's not too much to ask. Yo. What was that? Really? Fuck. Right when I turned the camera around, it said W Daddy in the chat. Alright, keep them coming. Keep the W's coming, chat. Keep them coming, chat. That was too funny. Come on. Get paid. Yes, sir. We invited you. I feel like I'm being greedy holding so much, chat, but still trying to aim for those highs. Like, I just have a feeling we're going there. I have a feeling we're going there. You're not my dad. Okay. Aim for New York highs? Yes. No, the equal highs right here. Not even New York highs, like literally just the highs right here. New York highs right above would be good, but I think just even sweeping these equal highs right here would be beautiful. Sheesh, that's wiped half the profit. Not one candle. $9,000 all the way to 500. One retracement. Y'all getting a trade already? We've been in the trade for a minute, honestly. We got a bunch in the chat. Make sure to hit that like button. Thank you so much. That's what I'm saying, guys. You can pay me for this by likes and good energy. I'm a believer in good energy and sending me good juju and shit. But don't hate on me, because then that shit would also probably affect me. This is brutal, chat. Look, do you know who FX Dave's trades or invest? I mean, he's going to be affiliated with. I actually don't. Are you going to signal your entry? I've been in. I don't know what am I going to signal your entry. What? I've really been showing the P&L the whole time. Y'all gotta understand the market moves in higher highs and higher lows. We could freak out or whatever, but or we could just be like, you know what, this could just be a low to lead to a new high. That's what we're hoping for. Like I said a second ago, I feel like I was being greedy when we were up 1,000. I could have done it, but I have conviction that we probably are gonna aim for these equal highs up here. So I'm just, you know, I'm letting it rock out. Letting me see, you know. Right? like sea biscuit. I gotta think the market likes retesting the breakout areas as well because it knows a lot of people stops are at break even. You know, how many times have we got hit break even for it to continue? So, like I said, I'm just hoping we can continue. I'm obviously still holding on here and on my live account. We're just waiting to see. We could see if you know, Nvidia can hold this to continue. The one thing is that when I see price moving so slow up and down, you gotta think where liquidity sitting and stuff. I still think that like we saw liquidity come up and there's still liquidity sitting above. I'm also thinking about buyers who bought up in here. Like I said, the stops are probably here, so just holding, just talking out loud. Because I'm literally sitting here looking up like Lamborghinis and shit. I can't even lie. I want to fucking get one so bad. I got family coming to town in like 2 weeks or whatever. I want to rent one of these because not everyone can fit in my fucking Porsche. I want to get one of these. Come on. When you first get funded, you're just like, fuck. Sheesh. I'm still holding. Not that space in the back though on yours. Yeah. I mean, it's enough. At least it has a back seat, you know? These ones are wide bodies, by the way, so it's not just like the normal. All these are wide bodies. Damn, wait, is this one a Mansory? No. No, it's not. Damn, this yellow one is so tough. Bro, what the fuck? Alright, chat. We're holding to the deep end now. Think I might break even it on my live account, but hold on the futures. I'll let you know though. I'm not. As of now, I'm not. Up to you guys if you guys want to hold or. Yellow wide body Hellcat look like a school bus. Get the Lambo today. I'm not doing anything today. What up, Nick? Damn, you gotta stop break even. I feel you. Is it true you were sweating? Nick, get that gay shit out of my fucking chat. What is up with that? The search is just someone who pays their lights. Is it true Nick's piece sitting down? I don't know. Top Song's the one that told me. But like, I don't know. I haven't seen it in my eyes, but it makes sense. Like if you think about it. I'm not like yo, what's poppin', G? Yeah. Yeah.
See you back in about, I wouldn't even say 24 hours. It's usually pretty fast. But as long as the car comes back with nothing wrong with it, that's sent back right away.
Yeah, and you wait, how much is that?
$750. So
that's chill.
For the weekend, it's like $2,700, $2,750.
Okay. Hell yeah, bro.
The $750 back.
Dude, the fucking yellow one looks so sick.
The yellow one has a Novatech exhaust system, a full Novatech. It's pretty loud. You know, you can only imagine how obnoxious it is.
Right.
The black one, it's just more like a little low key, let back.
Yeah. I know. I might have to do the yellow one, but I appreciate you, bro. That shit looks sick. I might have to.
Oh, yeah,
I might have to secure it.
I have plenty of cars, bro. Like anything you could think of, from I can get you access to. Like Ferrari, you're like, oh, let me fucking take some pictures with it or whatever. I can get you access to those.
Let's do it.
Get you access to pretty much anything. You just gotta let me know what you're interested in, you know?
Yeah, bro. That's fucking sick. No, I see you have a sick lineup. I haven't seen that website, so it looks sick.
Yeah, no, me and my buddy, we own the company fully, so it's me and E, we own it, and we just have people pretty much consignment cars. So we own, between me and him, we own 15 of them, and then other people, there's about another, I would say 17 cars.
Dude, that's fucking sick.
Other people put on consignment to rent out as well. So
one of the days I want to, yeah, like I said, I have family coming to town, so I just need a car to fit everyone. But if I want to do the Ferrari one time, that shit would be, I've always wanted to do it. Fuck it.
We have B-Wagons and shit too as well, bro. Like, there's a bunch of cars that
oh, hell yeah.
As much per day, obviously, they're a little bit less. But I can see if we have the Brabus one with the blue interior available for that weekend.
Oh, bro, see if you got the Brabus. That would be so fucking sick.
Yeah, we have it's like a Tiffany blue interior with a gray outside. It's kind of like the color of how Kim K's cars are.
Yeah. I don't know if you've seen my Porsche. My Porsche's that color.
Yeah, exactly that color. You have a Boxster?
No, it's a Cayman.
Oh, shit. Is they 718?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What year?
2020.
Oh, that's dope. You like it?
I love it, bro. I've been no problems with it.
I had a GT3 for a little bit, but I was going to buy a house. So
hell yeah.
I got to sell this. So I sold the car for a house down payment.
Nice, bro. Congrats.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's why I moved from downtown. I used to stay right there in Park 12. If you're going into Petco Park on the outfield left side.
Yeah.
Right there.
That place looks sick.
Yeah, it's cool, bro. If you could get a spot in there, I would highly recommend it. It's one of the best apartment complexes.
Like around? That's super dope.
Yeah. And it's probably the best one you can get your hands on. Downtown, the rest will be condominium.
Yeah. That's sick, bro. Well, if you're ever down here, bro, let's link up, get some lunch or something.
You let me know, bro. I'm only 20 minutes away, so you just let me know. I literally just stay up. I don't know. You see like all those fucking Alex and all them, how they just stay at home all day?
Yeah.
Bro, I literally go get food, hop on a couple meeting calls. I have a couple investors that I would love to like put you guys on the show. I see you guys trade as well. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm like the only one.
Yeah.
They just weak, which I don't mind. I trade every day. So.
No, I've been seeing your shit. You've been running it up, bro.
Oh, gold is.
Hold your bitch. I'm in a NAS trade right now. I'm on live stream literally in a NAS trade.
Oh shit! How much was?
I was up 4K across the accounts, and then now we're back at break even.
You've been trading future Apex.
That's what I'm in on the Apex accounts and my live account right now. I'm just doing both. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you put me on the spot. I don't know if your buddy Nick told you this week. One of the 1-to-1000s or whatever.
Yeah.
And I had a $10,000 account and I moved it to 15. So this week I saw that they made that.
Let's go.
So I fucking threw 3K of the 15 into the 1-to-1000, and I got in on a gold buy with the 5 lot, bro, and it fucking bonked. It made me 30-something K.
30-something K?
Yes, bro.
That's fucking sick. Good shit, bro.
So now the account's at like 35.
That's sick, bro. 3 to 30K in a gold buy. That's sick.
In 2 days, yeah, in a 2-day swing trade, basically.
Bro, good shit.
Nah, it was nice. It was fucking. If it wasn't for you guys, I would have never been able to get back on M5, bro.
I got you, bro. Hell yeah.
I used to trade with I don't know if you know Ox Security.
Oh yeah, no, I've heard of them.
Okay, so I used to use them, and then they found their own trade platform. So then I went to Osprey and their trade locker. So I've been trade locker for years, and now I'm like, dude, I want M5.
Did you see Osprey just went down too? They just like dipped out.
Yeah, that's why I was hitting Nick up for your guys' broker, because I had like I had a 7-figure account with them, and I was like, dude, I gotta get money out of here before it just fucking vanishes.
That's 7 figures in Osprey is crazy work.
That's why, yeah, bro. Like a lot of people in my chat, I mean, you guys join chat. A lot of them have $300,000-$400,000 lives.
That's crazy.
And they don't even know how to trade them.
That's fucking wild.
All they do is put the signal of the day. They just close their fucking.
Hey, that's how sleep would do it. Jeez. What we're trying to do here.
It's gold. My backup largest amount, one every time on my trade. My time. So one every time. Selling with the stop.
You should be good.
Oh, but yeah, I see how you guys do that.
Yeah, bro, just come over one time. We'll just sit down and fucking look at some shit.
Alright, yeah,
Nah.
Okay, so there's tax for another. I was surprised about the game of.
Yeah.
So I think
Let's do it. Let's do it this weekend, bro. Pull up.
Dude, I got crazy. I don't know.
Yeah. You got connects and shit. Sheesh.
Yeah, so like.
It's getting more people on and shit. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it, bro. Let's sit down and we'll talk about some shit. would be huge. That's what we were talking about, bro. There's no one out here. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I feel you. Focus on the, yeah, no, I feel you, bro. Yeah. No, I turned 25 a little bit ago. Yeah, bro. No, like I said, bro, this weekend or something, just pull up. We'll talk about everything, bro. Perfect, bro. Yeah. Oh hell yeah, bro. Run it the fuck up. Yeah. Let's do it, bro. Let's set a date for like Saturday or something, and we'll talk. Okay, perfect. Perfect, bro. Hell yeah. Well, I'll see you Saturday, bro. I'm gonna text you back right now after I look at the cars too. All right, appreciate you, bro. I'll talk to you. Peace. Bye. My bad, chat. I'm still in this bitch, holding strong. But bro, that's what I'm saying. Money moves. You wanna get a car like that? You just hit the boy, hit the call, get her done. 350. That's what I'm saying. It's just, to me, I can't lie, and this is me speaking out loud. Once again, me speaking out loud. Look where these MAs are. We're racking off this one, which can go. Look where the 200 is, then go to the 15 and see where the 50 is. And it looks like, I mean, we could react from here, but it's got to be like a solid 350 candle to fucking Ciendas. Oh shit, why does that always do that? Nvidia looks like we could potentially hold and continue up. Like I told you guys, is that my whole ideology is, I mean, I usually end up, I like to close. I like to do, once we're in profit, follow the trend line. But to me, like with higher time frame conviction and hoping that we would sweep to continue, I'm just like waiting to see if, this could just be a higher low to continue, because the same way this made a high, led to a low, high to a low, we still could potentially come lead to a high and see from there what we'd want to do. For sure. But we got 4 minutes until the 350 candle. Will you do the live from the Lambo? Yeah, that'd be fun. Something like that. Amazon looks not so good. Yeah, I mean, now it is just NASDAQ in general, right? What's good, my guy? What's good? Made Different Gaming. How you doing, bro? Sheesh. I'm late for the stream. How we doing today? I'm doing good, brother. Ready to get payouts next week? Let's go. Payouts on the way. All right, guys, 2 minutes. I'm gonna have my live account open. See what the fuck is good. See what's about to happen. For some reason, I think we might go lower to then continue higher. Like, I still think that like the overall move is higher. That's just what we can hope for. Because of my position I'm holding from this morning, I'm only down $265, which is nothing. Which is, I'm kind of glad I held on to that runner. All right, guys, about 42 seconds. Let's see what we in for. Chat. Who's ready? 25 seconds. $15 seconds. All right, I got my hands on my live account. See what's good. Oh shit, did we just gap? Yo. You guys see TRADERTV's like not even printing the candle? Yeah, chat might be GG's. See if maybe it'll sweep that low and then continue up. Real bag chaser getting bans of when they talk about me. TRADERTV's lagging. You guys see this shit? I'm looking at it on my broker and it shows the candle. TRADERTV's like lagging. Shit, look, it's not even there. What is this? TRADERTV? What? What is this? TRADERTV? Someone take a screenshot and fucking send this to TRADERTV. Oh, I shouldn't have reloaded. I'm gonna fucking trade. Am I stupid? Oh my god, that was so stupid. Bro, none of the candles are here even after refreshing it. Close it. I mean, I see the P&L down here. I'm about to close it if we continue lower. I'm just waiting a second. And if it doesn't close, then trying to rubber band it. You have to log out and back in. It won't let me close it? Well, I have this all on recording, so I probably will just be like, you know what? I am gonna post this if you don't fix this. Go to the 15 and back to the 5. Nah. None of them. If you click the drop down on your account equity, okay, good to know as well. Down a rubber band it. They were there 15 minutes ago. I don't know. Can I show that low guys are having some sort of reaction back up? I guess I shouldn't even be over here. Just show you guys over here. My bad. I'm looking at it on my phone. That's why I'm obviously still in the positions. You guys can see. Obviously, did not get out of anything. Just obviously not the best. Some, you know, swept lows kind of reacting, but I'd say it's obviously not ideal. Yep, especially after that. Come on. Sheesh. Let's see. Staying alive, staying alive. Ha, 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 ha. Staying alive. Staying alive. Oh, there's that volume. Go. Flip back bullish. Go, go, go. That's so good. She honor roll. I done did the impossible. Oh. Yo. Ain't no way. Yo. What is good? Yo. Just here gambling the 350 candle with stream. How about you? What do you mean my call, motherfucker? You mean our? I'm not saying it. I'm not speaking. Fuck you mean, cuzzo? I'm having, you know, you could just, you know, whatever. No, yeah, but yeah, game plan is too. Oh, really? It's just fucked. Sheesh, and is it hot as fucking Florida? Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I'll be there. We'll see. We'll see if West goes. I'll talk to you. I was hoping probably not, but I guess I could. I know. I'm just almost dude. I literally went all the way to TP almost, reversed all the way, almost hit stop loss, and then the 350 candle now houses back at break even. Nas. Yeah. Yeah. Right. End of the day. End of the week buys. Buys. Buy. 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 It all looks good. Nah, on the 5 minute, if you look, like we kind of were accumulating whatever. Like as soon as we swept the 5 minute and then broke back up, I got on like that little leg that looks like a lower high, and then like now it made a lower low, and like now we're like coming back up to like where my break even is. Now I'm at like break even. Entry on TradingView 21,900. Yeah. All right. Yeah, but I'll see you there in a second. Happy Sabbath. It was EMMITT. Chat, we're back in profit. How about them apples? On Gates Epic, how much is the fee per lot size? $3, whatever. I have to check. I don't know it off the top of my head. Chat, we're back in profit. Stop playing with the kid. Held through a mess. Go. Luca, how do you deal with massive drawdowns? How do you keep in check your emotions? You live stream so that you force yourself that you can't cry, because then everyone will see you cry on live stream, and then so that's the key. You just gotta live stream, and then that's it. Nah, I'm kidding. It's just trusting your plan. You have a stop loss for a reason, right? What do you mean by 350 candle? Maddox, where have you been if you don't know about the 350 candle, brother? Aren't really interviewing. I tilted today, Luke, and minus 700. What? Tilted on what? Was your SLS up on the trade? Why didn't you pull out? Well, you see where my stop loss is. It obviously wasn't thing. Why didn't I pull out break even? Because why would you hold through all your drawdown, now get back to break even to jump out? It's like, bro, we went through all the hell. We already, doesn't get much worse than this. Why would you hop out now? He puts on LB shades to hide emotions, literally. Bro, I literally... Anyone's in the currency cave, we have a call right now that I'm supposed to fucking hop off to be on, but I want to be on this so bad for it to run. Continue running. When you first were hitting break even, I was down a hole. I just have conviction on this trade. I don't know. I won this morning a lot, so I was risking profits and was down to not go break even. Hope this is shit. Bro. As I literally have to get off too, which is so lame. I'm happy to send the link right now. Fuck it. You know how I'm coming? I have to get out of this. Sorry, Tim. Gotta jump over to Currency Cave. Alright, guys. Now we're on live stream and on Zoom. What is a nice pair to trade for Asia session? A nice pair to trade for Asia session would be gold. Guys, I'm literally on Everyone in the chat who put report me for these longs, legends. We stayed true to the bias, and we hit it. Was popping with everybody. How's everyone doing? It's good, Meezy King.
Oh, good.
How you doing, bro?
Good. Just day time.
Oh yeah. Where's Emma? You here? I see it. Ask me. It says Emmett's a note taker. Want me for these long? You do both.
Look, I'm gonna take your word for a withdrew from Hanko, and I'm gonna go to Gate.
Let's go. Let me know how you like it.
I was using Gate. Yeah, I was using Gates for the
Recording in
demo.
progress.
You're using it for what?
I had a demo because I was proving myself I could flip it.
Oh, yeah.
Before I actually do it.
Oh yeah.
And I mean, I liked it. I flipped 1,000 on the demo, so that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm gonna go live.
Hell yeah. Congrats, bro. I'm hyped for you. Oh, here we go.
Yo, what's up? Can you hear me?
Yes, how are you, sir?
What's up, y'all? What's going on? How am I?
Yeah.
Somebody's fixing my AC right now, so it's like 85 degrees in my house. It's driving me nuts.
Well, I've been watching paint dry on this trade all day.
Yeah, you still in?
Yeah, bro, I'm so fucking close.
My boy, Emma, what's up? How's everybody doing? What we got, like 16 people in here? Wow. Everybody at?
I know.
What were you guys doing? Just asking how everybody's doing? Or what's up?
Yeah, I was talking to him, saying what's up, letting him know we back. I say I was on live stream right now. Dude, I'm still on it. On live stream, I can't even lie. I'm about to end it.
Oh, you're on. Oh.
But I'm in there right now. So I'm about to mute. But how's everyone's week been? Let us know real quick. All right, YouTube. I gotta go. I have a fucking mentorship call I gotta do right now. But trade is absolutely beautiful. Shout out to everyone who did hold through all this type of stuff and held strong. W, I don't really want to go back and draw on. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord on what I do. But I appreciate y'all for coming to the stream, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, chat. That again.